We all dream of leaving, of packing a bag and stepping into the unknown. But sometimes, reality keeps us rooted to one spot. So I decided to bring the world to my desk. Not with a plane ticket, but with a 3D printer. No grand preparations are needed. All it takes is a single photo, a cherished memory from a past trip, or a landmark you've always dreamed of visiting. The workflow is incredibly seamless. Simply upload your photo, and Tripo AI analyzes its form and proportions. The moment this meets the newly upgraded HD model, magic happens. Every hidden detail and intricate structure awakens into a highly refined, high-fidelity 3D mesh. Now, are you ready to embark on this journey?
First stop, New York, the Statue of Liberty.
Standing tall in New York Harbor, she has welcomed visitors from all over the world as a global symbol of hope and freedom. Look at how beautifully Tripo's H3.1 engine separated the emerald statue from the deep blue ocean base. The geometric precision is just incredible.
Next, Seoul, Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Gunjeongjun is the heart of this beautiful palace, showcasing the essence of traditional Korean architecture. By printing it in solid white, the intricate multi-layered roofs and sharp architectural lines become the main heroes, standing out even more. The high-fidelity HD model captured this with stunning accuracy.
The Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Rising beautifully beside the Seine River, this iconic tower has become the ultimate global symbol of romance and beautiful architecture. Recreating this intricate iron lattice without any errors was a massive challenge, but the HD model handled these micro details flawlessly.
The ancient Colosseum in Rome, Italy.
Standing proudly in the heart of Rome, this monumental amphitheater beautifully showcases the grand history of the ancient empire. Tripo's 4K texture engine provided the perfect visual reference, allowing me to recreate the weathered, stone-textured finish of the ancient walls perfectly.
The majestic Taj Mahal in India.
This stunning architectural masterpiece is celebrated worldwide as the most beautiful monument of eternal love. To capture the feel of the original structure, I used a special marble-textured filament. The flawless symmetry of the dome and minarets works with the high-fidelity HD details to radiate an elegant aura.
And finally, the Sydney Opera House in Australia.
Shaped like beautiful white sails dancing on the blue ocean, it is a true masterpiece of modern architecture. Captured in pure white, the iconic sails and the sculpted base underneath flow together seamlessly, showcasing a smooth structural beauty and marking the perfect finale to my desk journey. 6 countries, thousands of miles. That entire journey has now gathered right here on this small desk. Now it's time to create your own world. Click the exclusive link in the description and pinned comment below to begin your journey with Tripo AI. Exclusively for 4D Machine subscribers, you'll receive a 500 credit sign-up bonus and 60% off your first month of the professional plan. Don't miss out on this special opportunity. Where would you like to travel next?